Hey guys, welcome to Majesty Beauties, and today we're going to teach you how to turn your edge control and your business cards into cute little gift baggies. That way you can give them away to potential customers. So thank you for joining. Please hit the subscribe button, and we're going to use the Girl Your Hair is Laid edge control from MajestyBeauties.com. You're also going to need some cute little gift baggies and these 5 milliliter containers that have a screw on top. That way nothing spills out when you give it away. And then, of course, you're going to need your popsicle stick that I use as a spatula. Y'all, don't clown my nails. I need to get them done. But anyway, so we're going to set up this little table here. Starting with our edge control. It's pretty solid. So we're going to go ahead and use our spatula to scoop it on out and put it inside of our little containers here. Please note, guys, also that this video will be sped up throughout the process. So if you need to go back and play it again, please do so. And I'll try not to talk too much. But as we're filling these, we're going to go ahead and put 2 to 3 scoops inside of the container. And make sure that you're not filling the container, because once we heat these, they may overflow and you don't want that to happen. So we've got these in, and we're going to put this down to the side and go on to the next ones. So we're getting down to the last of the container, and as you guys can see that this one isn't all the way full. So we're going to close it off and put it off to the side for our next ones. Now at this point you can go ahead and screw your caps on and put them in the bags if you like. However, I don't like weird clumpy edge control. I don't think it's professional. So we're going to go ahead and take these and put them in the microwave. And the reason why I said don't fill it up is that way you can have a little space so they can melt evenly and not boil over. So we're going to head to the microwave and put these in for a cycle of 15 seconds for 3 times. And I do that again so it doesn't boil over. So as you can see, these are watery, but not quite. So we're going to pop them in for another 5 seconds, just so we can melt everything evenly. And then you'll be able to see once we pull them out that they're going to be nice and watery. And from there, we can go on over to our table. And at this point, you can go ahead and put your essential oils in it. Ours is already formulated, so we can skip this step. But if you like to change the scent or the smell of your edge control, make sure you go ahead and do that at this point while it's still liquefied. Pop your tops on, and from here you can put them into the baggies, but we don't. I decide to pop them in the freezer, and it'll freeze for about 20 minutes. So we'll go ahead and freeze them. Alright, y'all. So the edge control is out of the freezer. You're going to take your stapler and your gift bag, and then you're going to take your business card. And 2 ways you can do it. You can either put it on the front or on the inside. So this first way you do it, you take your business card and you're going to staple it to the front of your gift bag. Alright? And then you take your edge control and pop it in the back and draw the string and tie it off. And you are done. Okay, and you got this cute little gift bag with your business card in the front. Customers are going to gaga over it. So that's the first way. The second way is more the way that I like to do it, because it doesn't destroy my business card. So I just take it and I staple it to the inside of the gift bag. And then again, Same step, you just pop your edge control inside. And of course, you see it does not fit 100%, but that's okay. You go ahead and just tie it off. And then you see this little loop right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I just tuck it in that loop and pull the strings. And honey, now you got your little business card, gift little baggie with your edge control. The girl, your hair is laid edge control, of course, at majestybeauties.com. But you got some cute little things that you can give to your customers, and people are going to love it. So if you like it, please make sure that you subscribe, comment,